Hey there, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something that's way more important than it might sound at first: prompts. When we use tools powered by artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT, we start by typing something in, and that input we give? It's called a prompt. A prompt can be anything: a question, a command, or just a few lines to set the scene. The AI reads what we type and does its best to respond in a way that makes sense, based on what we've asked. Think of it this way: giving a prompt is like giving instructions to a super fast, super smart assistant. And just like with any assistant, the clearer we are with our instructions, the better the results we're going to get. A prompt isn't just a question, it's how we guide the conversation with AI. When we write a clear prompt, we're helping the AI truly understand what we're looking for. But if we're too vague or unclear, we might end up with answers that are confusing or just not that helpful. Let's look at a quick example. If we simply ask, "Tell me about dogs," that's pretty broad, right? But if we say, "Can you explain the differences between Labradors and Golden Retrievers in terms of temperament and exercise needs?" Now we're being specific. The AI knows exactly what to focus on, and we're much more likely to get the answer we actually need. Not all prompts are created equal. There are actually a few different types we might come across, and each one works a little differently. First, we have zero-shot prompts. This is when we ask the AI to do something without giving it any examples. We're counting on its existing knowledge to figure it out. For example, we might say, "Translate this sentence into Spanish." Simple and direct. Next, there are few-shot prompts. Here, we give the AI a few examples first, so it can pick up on the pattern we want. For instance, we might say, "Translate the following into Spanish. Hello, hola, thank you, gracias, good night." Now the AI knows exactly how to continue. And then, there's something called chain of thought prompts. These are really interesting. We encourage the AI to walk us through its thinking step by step before giving the final answer. This type of prompt is super helpful when solving math problems or making complex decisions. By choosing the right type of prompt, prompt engineering is all about designing prompts that get the best results from AI. It's the skill of figuring out how to ask questions or give instructions in a way the AI can really understand. Sometimes this means trying out different versions of a prompt. Other times, it's about tweaking the wording just a little, adding more context, or giving clear examples. And most importantly, being specific about exactly what we want. The goal is simple. We're guiding the AI to give us the most useful, accurate, and relevant answers possible. No matter what we're asking the AI to do, writing an email, coming up with ideas, or solving a problem, there are a few simple tips that can help us write better prompts. First, be specific. The more detailed we are, the better the response we'll get. Vague or general language just won't cut it. Next, give some context. Let the AI know what we're trying to achieve or who the answer is meant for. We also want to keep it clear and concise. Long, rambling prompts can be confusing, even for AI. Use examples when it makes sense. If we're aiming for a certain style, format, or tone, showing the AI what we mean can make a huge difference. And most importantly, try, test, and tweak. Sometimes even a small change in wording can completely change the quality of the response. Experimenting is part of the process. At the end of the day, prompts are the heart of how we work with AI tools. They're where everything begins, whether we're writing a poem, summarizing an article, or solving some. If you'd like to keep exploring the world of AI, check out the links we've shared below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more videos coming your way to help you learn, grow, and get the most out of AI.